Following multiple lightning strikes throughout the past couple of years that took out the courthouse's HVAC equipment, Brooke County Commissioners want to take preventative measures in making sure their system stays online no matter what comes their way. They will be adding phase monitoring to each of the units, which will monitor for low and high voltage power surges to protect them from something like that happening again.
Our HVAC system here was, was a boiler system, and it was very inefficient. The new system was a high efficiency system, and that's what we're trying to move towards, saving taxpayer dollars in the long term. And just to protect that investment for the county and for the taxpayers is really important.
Thomas says they are still looking at other preventative measures to add to protect those systems. Well, it's